My name is Andrea Richa, and I'm a professor in the School of Computing and Augmented Intelligence. I'm also a member of the Biodesign Center for Biocomputing, Security, and Society, and some other centers at ASU. I work in an area that's called distributed computing and algorithms. In more recent years, I've been looking at what we call self-organizing particle systems. What if I could design a system where, without any central control, any entity that's telling those guys what to do, you could swallow some of those particles. And if you had some internal bleeding, they would search for it, find it, coat it, at least temporarily. Or there's a nuclear reactor, again, there's a leak, you don't want to send any humans in there, you could just throw your particles in. They would search for the leak and coat it and allow for human intervention. The applications are endless, especially in the health domain.
We are honored to have her here. She's very holistic faculty, very good in research, very good teacher, and not shy of involving in novel forms of education and research, and also good with students and mentoring students and caring about everybody. And she's a great colleague as well, collaborating with faculty from biodesign, other universities. So she has a big impact on all aspects of academics and research, both locally and internationally and globally.
A driving force in my research has always been my students. I've been lucky to have phenomenal students at ASU, and I have students in my lab from high school all the way to PhD level, and that has been a very rewarding experience for me. I've been very lucky to mentor the students that I've had in my group. They're all not just phenomenal students, but phenomenal people whom I'm proud to see giving back to the community, and I'm also very proud of what they achieved after graduating.
Well, Andrea is very engaging as a teacher, and among her strengths are the ways that she can make personal connections, genuinely invested in student success, genuinely able to connect on an individual level to those students and show that she cares.
One has to be very mindful of diversity and inclusion of underrepresented groups, and in computer science, one big such group is women. And I've been investing a lot lately in my career to improve that. I'm proud I've had an average of 30 to 35% female students. I've graduated a few female students at the PhD level, which for me is very rewarding. I try to have an inclusive group, not just with respect to women, and I think that it's very enriching and helps the research that we do in my lab. I've been trying to serve as much as I can as a faculty mentor to younger female faculty in our school and across engineering in general. I would like to do what I can to help them succeed and feel welcome, respected, and also appreciated in their careers.
She basically gets personally involved in solving problems outside academics and helping the students and colleagues, help them succeed, not only succeed, but excel and win awards and graduate and go on to a better life, and both in terms of personal life as well as an academic life. So she is wonderful colleagues, wonderful mentor, and wonderful person.